Hey guys, Zach here with your July update. We're moving into the hot and dry part of the year. We've already been hot and dry, especially dry, even back to last August. Really, this year's been overall, on average, a very dry year. We're in all of the metro is either in the category of extreme or severe drought. So we've got to be thinking about watering. So every soil's a little different, every lawn's a little bit different. The goal is to keep that root zone moist. So really, ideally, you're checking that root zone. Get a little trowel, maybe a screwdriver. If you have a hard time getting those things into the soil, it's too dry. If the soil's hard, powdery, it's too dry. We don't want to put too much on. That's also a danger for the grass. But most of us right now need to be thinking about watering more consistently. So have that in mind as we're moving through July and August in drought conditions. Check those root zones. If you notice your grass is really crunchy, it's kind of thinnish looking, you can see footprints when you walk across it, those are pretty good indications on the surface that you need to water more. If you check those root zones with a screwdriver or a trowel, a shovel, just make sure that it's got some moisture there in that soil. Got to work with those water rationings, every other day. So just adjust as you need to, and water as consistently as possible. Don't forget, Bugono's running their mosquito control right now, so it'll be a great time of the year. Cookouts, barbecues. Don't want those pesky mosquitoes. Don't forget to give Bugono a call for help. It's a pleasure to serve you guys. We're so thankful to be partnering with you. If you got any needs, any concerns, any questions, always feel free to give us a shout.